Some person who send a me name from way to way. Then please stay tuned. Hello my sisters, I'm going to now attempt to speak in Twi to tell you what I did. So basically me fa enkun egu minim, and I also used powder senebeye shine wo minim no ebeko. Then I used me yuzu Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow in dark brown senebeye metimia Chicha Minyachi. I think that's how they say it. Yeah, Chicha Minyachi. And I me peno, if you know what I mean. And I me yuzu spoolie ewo enim senebeye enim no beye lighter chain tail no, if that makes sense. Then me yuzu concealer. Ubetimia use any concealer bare 2 shades lighter than wool complexion. Na ama ahonim ayet to say sisiana wako chicha uniachi. I think sana yekana. And then I used same concealer no me yuzu for me niachi senebeya any shade of eyeshadow me using no ebe popo, and the same time no me person me level out my whole eyelid senebeya the colors have a chance say ebe not true color no, you know what I mean. So I initially went in with Juvia's Place Juvia's Place I think it was Nubian Palette. I'll put all description in and then I went in with my BH Cosmetics matte palette as well. Senebeya who send black no black pano, but who say the second color me did two top no Emmanuel lighter, so Emmanuel smooth transition be minimum kano, but it just looks more smoother. It looks it's from light to dark. So you know what I mean? So I who send me blending no sa. So me yuzu P. Louise eyeshadow base in 0.5. So ne be me cutting me crease. So and then me yuzu to cut me crease. So ne be ya any color me yuzu what no so no ebe more. And the fact that me niachi no me lids no kitty be your friend who did eye, and because of that assessing me creating a bigger hood eye, a hood send who colors no more. What's you know what I mean? So me try with P. Louise, as I said. I gave you me ma close up or her send who de me yen ye not matima yen ye, you know what I mean? So yeah, me trying to me cut crease not me person me yet me need to say wing eye with just liquid liner or eyeliner, but me person me with my eyeshadow send it enter me here in the shapes are. So first color me use here was my Kat Von D Alchemist. There's a greeny blue pearlescent color be wamu, and then me first me fast share me pressy cool me niachi. Then me use green be a what me Sahara Juvia's Place palette. So and then me second color me use and then so me blend it as I go along. And then I went in with a darker green at the end. Me sorry say me ni shot in the muyi, but uben who got this side. Yeah, me pressing into miniachi. And then I went in with me glitter, me toffee eBay, me yuzu each different color glitter it corresponding with shade, eyeshadow color no me yuzu And so I had and then me press it in with initially me for eyelash glue. Me yuzu glitter glue bia. Me yuzu eyelash glue. Na me dishe me niachi and then me for glitter no a share so. And then me try me wing liner no with my NYX liquid liner in black. but we'll bet me I use any type of liquid liner. So I'm just me wing liner sa sene be ya mube hu de me, but me trying to say because of the style of the look na me no tin kakra chain usually, but mube hu de me na mube tiasi adenti me sa. So mube hu set me try line up. So se hu de me cut over eyeshadow no sene be ebe popping more. Now one who shape no me creative or miniature no. I yet to say cat's eyes be. Utiase is a elaborated wing liner using eyeshadow no. You know? So and then me so one who said me try it. And me use black because me use black eyeshadow initially. Utiase. So Maria, so after me pipa miniature sene be meti me I use me concealer. So me concealer me use was Juvia's Place in J9. So me did to me ni ase na ma de to me hwena ase na me the bridge of me nose no so. Sene be ya se me cut. The reason why highlighting Nini Masano, Senebea, bringing back our natural colors into our face. So use one foundation color na. Ebema nimni na to say sum. Ebe ghostly because were natural colors nim. And so that's why we use different colors on our face. As you can see, me using me natural foundation color so afterwards. Senebe ebe blended. So se me caught like bontin se a rab so the sun is shining now. The way where my my highlighting in masano, that's where it would naturally be highlighted. So mean shed makeup so mean shed makeup on it me highlighted areas would be what and then sene be me ko bonti anase me pia or anywhere no me makeup no feminim no me set it bibia in place with powder. So no me say me use Laura Mercier translucent powder, then to contour no so and to set my contour no me use your friend is saying LA Girl Pro Conceal HD powder in cocoa. So no me say and miniature no na me pese me brighten no kakra, and so me use more Morphe's eyeliner, and then I to set my my highlighted area in place. I then went in with my MAC skin finish. So no me pipa unhu line no matra wo hono me pese me cheekbone no a peja no hu kakra more. So no na me use one who say my pipa, but some sharp cheek bones aba minimum. And I me use brown be a what festival palette. Send be meti me bronzo. So me look at to say my cup bontin san no abominisu kakra. You know what I'm saying? And then me use the same green and grey purple no me use miniature to smoke out my under eye. Senebeye ebema minia ye kese kakrebi utiasia. And then me use pencil be me tall from eBay. Me nimni din me tall was set be me nimni din me sorry. And I me sound use another darker one on top of a nukra. Senebeye ebe minubeye kese kakra. Na our different colors. Then I use the Kat Von D color B me description box na mahu that me patre. So initially sana me yen, but then I thought now me pese a yen more ombre. So me use me MAC Lady Be Good lipstick. Sene be ebe ma me no middle no be more brighter, and then me use lip gloss so and then me say Then me setting me BBL, my makeup BBL in place using setting spray from Urban Decay. And then me use highlights no, me de me pen shine bia, me pen send a baby to say my moisturizing me nim keke, say. So me use one initially, and then I went in with another one from the Kat Von D palette. Someone who sent me no, but me blending in and send a baby look at it say me skin keke na masra. You know what I mean? Masra minim ankasa na aye healthy keke. And then me using my Kryolan mascara to put everything in place. And no sana me nim sana eba ye. Me hope set mupe. Me hope set will fet. And me hope set will be subscribe and share me online classes so me training person one in here one in him. So mu interested, feel free to contact me. All my details will be a description box. Why? So me di name mo ejamo, and see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.